Hello children, welcome back once again. Today we will see the another letter F. F says F. F says F. See. F ox. Fox. Again this ox is a, what is a ox? Ox is a blend to, right? Ox, what is a ox? Ox is a, main is a blend, right? It's a blend. Now ox, in that ox, X letter, we will add a prefix of in ox. Ox, fox. Now we will see fa, fe, fee, fo, fa. Again children, fa, fan, fat, fat, fag. Yes. Now fe. Fe says fed, fell, fest. St is a another term in phonics. Fig, fig, fin, feet, fit. Then fog, fog. See, this fog, these all are ox are build words too, as well as it's a blend. Blend means ox is a build word. Again, see, ox will come in the blend too. Similarly, see here. Now this one, or for. So we can read or to, or we can read for. Fun, fun, fuzz, fuss. Now read once again children all the blends. Fa, fe, fee, fo, fa. Fa, fan, fat, fag. Now here, see children, fed, fell, fest, fig, fin, what is this? Fit, fog, fox, for, fun, fuss. Thank you children. Thank you for giving your precious time and watching the video. Please do subscribe.